I'm going to show you how to install kickboards. You'll need quite a bit of equipment, some safety equipment, power tools, measuring gear, cordless drills, and some hardware. You'll also need a set of sawhorses and some clamps. The instructions will come with the kickboard, but you'll need to buy your own screws. We'll move a few things away and get started. The first thing we need to do is take some measurements before we cut our kickboard. I like to write the measurement on the bottom of the cabinet, that way I don't lose it if it's on a piece of paper. Now we have our measurements, we can cut the kickboard. Just a little hint for cutting your kickboard. Turn the good face down, or the face side of your panel down on your sawhorses and cut from the back. That way the saw blade gives a better cut on the front edge. Another little tip for when you're cutting melamine or laminate is to put some masking tape on the back. This also ensures a nice clean cut when the blade goes through. Now we need to mark that line with a straight edge, because that's the line we're going to cut along with the saw. The next step will be to clamp the piece of board onto the sawhorses and put it on some cardboard or a blanket or something to protect that front edge. Stu's going to give me a hand to hold the offcut so that it doesn't fall on the floor. Make sure you wear your safety equipment. Now when we take the tape off, you can see that the front edge is a nice clean cut. Now it's time to put them in. If the floor is out of level or you've got a few lumps and bumps, you'll need to use the electric plane to plane the bottom edge and make it fit in. You'll now need to measure back from the edge of the cabinet, because we're going to do some pre-drilled holes and drill through into the top of the kickboard, through the base of the cabinet. Because you need to drill through the centre of the kickboard, you need to measure back from the front edge of the cabinet and then add half the thickness of the kickboard. In this case, that'll be a 9mm. Then set your square up and you can just scribe a line along the front. This will be the line that you'll do your pilot holes on. Now we're going to pre-drill for the screws. Just 2 spots through each cabinet will be fine. Now the kickboard goes back in place and we can screw down into it. We're fixing through the cabinet with 28mm screws. If you're not sure of what size to use, just refer back to the instructions. And now we'll repeat the process and measure off for the pantry cabinet. And that's how we install kickboards.